beautiful girls wanna go to Chongqing. They wanna dress up. Those girls wanna be in those beautiful lights. Yeah, the beautiful girls go to Chongqing. Oh yeah, oh Chongqing. All the beautiful girls wanna go to Chongqing. They wanna dress up. Those girls wanna be in those beautiful lights. Yeah, the beautiful girls go to Chongqing. Oh yeah, oh Chongqing. All the beautiful girls wanna go to Chongqing. They wanna dress up. Those girls wanna be in those beautiful lights. Yeah, the beautiful girls go to Chongqing. Oh yeah, oh Chongqing. All the girls wanna go. They all wanna go. All the beautiful girls wanna go. They just wanna go to Chongqing. Beautiful girls all go to Chongqing. All the beautiful girls wanna go to Chongqing. They wanna dress up. Those girls wanna be in those beautiful lights. Yeah, the beautiful girls go to Chongqing. Oh yeah, all the beautiful girls. They just wanna go to Chongqing.
So I'm fetching with different camera lenses. I think I kind of want to walk all the way down that way. But what I'm trying to do right here is I'm just capturing the scene in Chongqing here. Check all that out. I don't know if I can walk into that or not. I might try. Chongqing! All the beautiful girls want to go to Chongqing. Let's put this up on the map. So this is a place that I came across when I was walking around, and all the women will dress up in the old traditional costumes. It's really quite beautiful, and especially at nighttime. So you can see that in the preview. So I do have about 39 videos of Chongqing. I'm about halfway through, so I still have about another almost 20 more to upload. So if you like it, just subscribe. Next, I'm going to put the lyrics so you can see the music. I created the music and then I fed it into an AI program, and I asked for the genre to be made. So that's what that's all about. Sometimes people ask me what the song originally is, but it's actually my own creation, fed into AI to put it into music form. Okay, let's do the walk and talk, and I'm going to go navigate through this crowd, and you can see all the footage and all the beautiful people. So I'm fetching with different camera lenses. I think I kind of want to walk all the way down that way. But what I'm trying to do right here is I'm just capturing the scene in Chongqing here. Check all that out. I don't know if I can walk into that or not. I might try. Okay. This is like a whole little industry in here. Hello. So wow, this is like really amazing. So there's people all the way down. Oh, that's what I'm hearing. I heard it earlier. So the train goes through under that bridge. I thought there was like thunder because it was raining earlier. That red building over there is amazing. I went there 4 or 5 years ago. And then over there, it's not even the looks. That's the other side of the river. But this side of the river is incredible. So what I'm going to try to do in this particular video is I'm going to try to walk down this way.
So we're gonna attempt to go in. And this building is just endlessly interesting. So I'm gonna slowly navigate upward. We'll kind of see where we all come out to. Okay, anyways, we're gonna pop in a different place. Looks like all of this is all set up for all the costumes. Oh wow. So it looks like to get all dressed up in this space. Kids are having a good time there. Okay, I think I can go up these steps. Can also go down, it can go up. Couldn't navigate up. It's a whole little industry in here. So I guess we're gonna go down this way. Just kind of see. So this little space looks like it's all photographers, dresses, and oh, amazing. Okay, so let's navigate to a different area altogether. And I'm gonna slowly work my way up. This is kind of Sichuan style. It smells really good. Oh, here's more of the getting all set up here. Okay, so we're gonna try to navigate up. See what happens. Okay, so I think I walked by this earlier. There was a musician right around the corner, right here. Okay. So we're going to attempt to do is navigate back up to the top through all these crowds. So this is where we're just coming from, that little space. I just found an elevator, so we're going to try to take the elevator and go up and see what happens. So let's see what happens. So we're on the first floor. We're going to go all the way up to the 11th floor. So we can actually take the elevator all the way back up. Elevator came, but it's too full, so we can't take it unless we go all the way down. So I guess what we're gonna do is navigate either this other elevator. I guess there's elevators throughout, but that one was too full, so either have to go down an elevator or try to go up. Good luck to us. The stairs. So we're just gonna navigate the stairs. We'll go all the way back up through the stairs. More stairs. So we have to take the stairs all the way up. So many people. So we just walked all the way up to the 11th upper balcony. How in the heck did they end up there with that little baby in that space? It's kind of, anyways. So what we end up taking the steps as well. And I'm just gonna go back to this spot and overlook everything from up this space. Ooh, man, pretty cool. I did another video where now I can finally see the Chongqing Art Museum.
各位游客不要在天桥上停留，往前面走。各位游客不要在天桥上停留，往前面走。各位游客不要在天桥上停留，往前面走。
Crazy. It's like lines all the way up and down the street. And there's lines all the way up over there too. Okay. Okay, so now we got, I don't even know which way to go. Could go this way. So we got all these crowds everywhere in the space. Then we also have it all the way down, which is where we came from, over that direction. And we got more of it over on this way as well. And I'm just gonna end it here. So we're gonna walk into the street and just kind of meander and see where we go. But yeah, so anyways, phew, man.